President Ramnath Kovind today rejected the mercy petition of one of the convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape case after the Union Home Ministry recommended the rejection. Mukesh Singh, one of the 4 death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case, had filed the mercy petition a few days ago. Monica Ingudam of Manipur was appointed as the National Ambassador for Indian Volunteers Network by its founder Manoj Kumar Das on the occasion of National Volunteers Day, that is January 13 in New Delhi, in recognition of her voluntary contribution to the society. Monica, who is currently working at Action Aid India as project officer, is also associated with obtaining 17 goals of United Nations SDGs in the last 5 years. She is also a recipient of Climate Action Fellowship from Youth Ki Awaaz. An indefinite economic blockade along National Highway 2 began from last night, called by Senapati District Drivers Welfare Association, Senapati Truck Owners Association and Senapati Truck Drivers Union, demanding termination of Manipur Police Assistant Sub-Inspector Hitler Singh from service within 48 hours. Notably, ASI Hitler Singh physically assaulted a driver named Del Alexander at Kangpokpi on January 14 and even tried to open fire at the driver with his service revolver in the middle of the National Highway 2 in broad daylight. The cop was suspended after a video footage of the incident went viral. Commemoration Day of 291st Puya Mai Thaba was observed today at Ibudau Pakhangba Laikol Uchiwa of Mayang Imphal. The observance was organized by International Observation Commission on the Puya Mai Thaba, Kangleipa. Titular King of Manipur, Maidingu Leisemba Sanajauba, also attended the function. A man died in a road mishap that took place at Imphal, Manipuri around 9 p.m. yesterday. As per a report, the deceased has been identified as Binod of Chingmairong, Imphal. The mishap happened when the car in which the deceased was driving hit a barrel of coal tar kept on the road. Zimthiang Baptist Church, Loktak Project, Manipur today celebrated its Golden Jubilee on the theme, You Shall Be My Witnesses. Moirang MLA P. Sarat Chandra said that installation of 100 solar lamps in different parts of Moirang Municipal Council and Gram Panchayat area will take place in the next 10 days. He was participating in a program where integrated social and cultural organization Pansang Lekai installed 10 solar lamps under his initiative at Khuyol Kaitel, Moirang Lamkhai today. The step was taken up under Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency Manireda. After Kerala, the Punjab Assembly introduced a resolution demanding removal of the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act. According to media reports, Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh yesterday not ruled out the possibility of bringing a resolution against the amended citizenship law. A Bangladeshi island regularly submerged by monsoon rains is ready to house 100,000 Rohingya refugees, but no date has been announced to relocate people from the crowded and squalid camps where they have been living for years, according to reports. Flood protection embankments, houses, hospitals and mosques have been built on Basanchar, or floating island on the Bay of Bengal. The island is built to accommodate 100,000 people, just a fraction of the million Rohingya Muslims who have fled waves of violent persecution in their native Myanmar. The Taliban will implement a 10-day ceasefire with US troops, a reduction in violence with Afghan forces and discussions with Afghan government officials if it reaches an agreement with the US negotiators in talks in Doha, a media report said, citing sources. If an agreement is reached, the move could revive hopes for the long-term solution to the conflict in Afghanistan. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today opened the 5th Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament today at Polo Ground, Imphal. Organized by Manipur Tourism Department, the tournament will continue till 21st of January.